So guys, I'll show you how to change Toyota Yaris's front wiper. So this is the wiper. It's extremely ripped off. It's broken. So this is a broken wiper. So here I'm opening the wiper. So this is a different wiper. So I'm opening with a screwdriver. So you pull it down. There. This is the wiper off. So here I got a new wiper, 28-inch from Bosch. So this is the new wiper. I'm opening the clip. There. This is the new wiper. So that this should face that way. That left or front. There. So this is the new wiper. And here it should go that way. And the wiper clip should go there. So here, and then you just fit that in, push the wiper and then close the clip, and yeah, that's the wiper done. Guys, the wiper works perfectly well than the older one. So here you can see the windscreen. So guys, I'll show you how to put the wiper off. So this is a wiper. If you pull the wiper, there. So if you see that clip, you pull the clip off, there, this is off. And then if you see a button under the clip, this one, so you pull it a bit up, push it up, and then push the wiper down. There, this is off. Hi everyone, my name is Haseeb Rehman. I opened this channel so I can post some DIY videos so you can get some help from those videos. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.